Hello friends and welcome to AKS Tech. Today I will show you how you can download and install the premium version of YouCut video editor. So here on my screen you can see that YouCut app has already been installed. But it is the same free app that you download from Google Play Store. Let me open it. Here you can see that he is asking to buy premium features. So I will close and uninstall this app first. Now open this link in your browser. After opening the link, tap here on this I am not a robot option. Then select the relevant images and tap on verify. After this, tap on click here to continue. Now wait for 5 seconds. Then tap on get link option. Then you will be redirected to the downloading page. If some side links open, just close them. Now here tap on this download option. But before the downloading starts, this warning will be shown that this type of file can harm your device. Do you want to keep YouCut Pro? But you need not to worry, this app is safe to use. Just ignore the warning and tap on OK. So now you can see that downloading has started. I'll go to the details. Until the file downloads, if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it and press the bell icon so that you may get notifications of my upcoming videos. Now you can see that the file has downloaded. I'll just install it. On some Android devices, you must have to check allow from this source option before you can install this app. Now the app has been installed successfully. I'll just open it. Now here you can see that all premium features have been unlocked. So that was all. If you still have any difficulty, do mention that in comments. And if you like the video, do share it with others. And for more videos like this, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.